In August 2024, Zimbabwe will host the 44th Southern Africa Development Community, or SADC Summit. President Emmerson Mnangagwa is set to take over as the SADC chairperson. This is a significant role, as Mnangagwa will be stepping into a leadership position within the 16-member regional bloc. But here's the twist: this decision isn't without controversy. The opposition party in Zimbabwe, the CCC, has been pretty vocal about their discontent. They've even petitioned SADC to block Mnangagwa from assuming the chairmanship until the disputed presidential election from August 2023 is resolved. Now, let's backtrack a bit. Mnangagwa was declared the winner of the 2023 presidential election with 52.6% of the vote, while the opposition leader, Nelson Chamisa, garnered 44%. Chamisa and his party, however, didn't take this lightly, branding the election results as a gigantic fraud. This has led to a tense political climate in Zimbabwe, to say the least. Despite the opposition's efforts, Mnangagwa's rise within SADC has been quite remarkable. Last year, during the 43rd summit held in Angola, Mnangagwa took over as the deputy chairperson. And now he's all set for the top spot. But what's the big deal about SADC, you may ask? SADC plays a crucial role in promoting regional integration and socio-economic cooperation among its member states. As chairperson, Mnangagwa will be at the helm of these efforts, steering the bloc's initiatives and policies. Interestingly, Zimbabwe's position within the international community has also been strengthening. The country has secured backing from other SADC nations in its bid for a non-permanent seat on the United Nations Security Council from 2027 to 2028. Plus, Zimbabwe has won the vote to host this pivotal summit. So, what's next? As August approaches, all eyes will be on Zimbabwe. Will Mnangagwa's leadership bring stability and progress to the region? Or will the opposition's concerns spark further political unrest? Only time will tell. That's it for today's update, folks. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into global politics. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one.